8 levels of making money. 1. Making money with physical labor is survival. 2. Making money with skills is earning a living. 3. Making money with information is using your mind. 4. Making money with resources is networking. 5. Making money through a team is management. 6. Making money through systems is being a business owner. 7. Making money through strategy is thinking like the wealthy. 8. Making money through knowledge and judgment is the highest level. If you're still watching, don't scroll away just yet. If you seriously observe the people around you who have truly made money, you'll discover a painful truth. The biggest difference between people has never been how hard they work. It's the level at which they make money. Many people wake up earlier than the sun, go to bed later than everyone else, work until their backs hurt, and still can't save any money. Why? Because they're stuck at level 1. Trading physical effort for money. And physical labor has one major weakness. The moment you stop, your income stops. You get sick, no income. You take a break, no income. You get old, your earning power drops even more. Then some people start learning valuable skills. They learn to drive. They learn design. They learn programming. They learn video editing. Their income goes up. But fundamentally, they're still selling their time. They're just selling it for more money. The real turning point starts at level 3. While some people are still working for every dollar, others are making money from information. They discover opportunities earlier. They spot trends earlier. They enter the market earlier. Go one level higher, and you reach resources. You'll notice that many business owners aren't necessarily more talented than their employees, but their ability to make money can be dramatically greater. Why? Because they control valuable resources. Customers, distribution channels, suppliers, business relationships. Level 5 is even more powerful. You start using a team to multiply your output. One person works 12 hours a day. 10 people create 120 hours of work. 100 people create 1,200 hours. At this point, making money is no longer about how hard you personally work. It's about organization and management. But the biggest wealth gap really begins at levels 6 and 7. One person opens a single store and works themselves to exhaustion. Another person opens 10 stores and somehow becomes less busy. The difference: one relies on people. The other relies on systems. Once a system is built, the business can keep running, even when you're not there. And the people at the very top aren't just studying products anymore. They're studying strategy. They ask, where will this industry be 5 years from now? What will this market look like 10 years from now? The average person asks, how much can I make today? The wealthy ask, how much could I make in the future? That's strategic thinking. But among all 8 levels, the most powerful one is level 8. Making money through knowledge and judgment. Why does the exact same situation look like a risk to one person and an opportunity to another? Why can one person lose everything in an industry while someone else makes a fortune? Because their understanding is different. Your understanding determines your choices. Your choices determine your actions. Your actions determine your results. The most expensive thing in the world isn't a house. It isn't a car. It's your level of understanding. You can't consistently earn beyond your level of understanding. And even if luck helps you make money beyond it, sooner or later, you may give it all back through poor decisions. So there's a pattern. People at the bottom work desperately hard. People in the middle desperately accumulate resources. People at the top desperately upgrade their thinking. While you're calculating your monthly paycheck, someone else is calculating their return on assets. While you're thinking about how to save money, someone else is figuring out how to make their money work for them. The biggest difference between people isn't simply how rich or poor they are. It's how they make money. Physical labor can keep you alive. Skills can improve your lifestyle. Resources can help you build wealth. But knowledge and judgment give you the opportunity to change your financial future. Remember this. The level you operate at determines the level of money you can make. Real growth isn't about working harder and harder. It's about moving step by step. From making money with your body to making money with your mind.